lives, Jessica Andrea Villamizar Mendoza. That you believe we compare our goals to others on social media. There is no high reason to support your opinion. Yes, we compare our goals because we forget that social networks are simply a fact. It is what one wants to choose moments of happiness or euphoria, but nothing beyond that. It is difficult to guide our goals toward and social networks since it is a per screen. For example, when we see a public figure on a famous person in Instagram or in Facebook, or are common people with a perfect life, we try to compare us with that people because we think that social media is real life. Do you think the information displayed on social media inspires our ancient? Yes, no, guide, ransom the support or opinion. Some, yes. There are others that do not. It depends a lot on the context in which we find ourselves and the actions we want to do. In the information supports healthy content that helps to grow personality. It will or the ways the approach is bad. For example, when famous people publish on its social media on products that can be junk or the lips or something like that, but it is whose publicity and actuality the products does not do anything. So think social media can be destroyer of things our life. Can social media affect our mental health? Yes, no, high reason to support your opinion. Yes, total social networks damage or means receiving hateful or derogatory comments to close toward mental health, beginning to believe everything they tell us, and that in the long term grief access mental as within all aspects of our life. Thank you.